I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT using Khan Academy. First, you should know that Khan Academy offers free, personalized SAT practice. You can link your College Board account directly to get a customized study plan. This helps you focus your efforts on the specific areas where you need the most improvement, making your study time highly efficient and targeted. After linking your accounts, start by taking a full-length diagnostic test. This initial assessment helps pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses across all sections. Then, dive into practicing thousands of questions, covering every topic you will encounter. Remember to review the detailed explanations for every incorrect answer. This is crucial for understanding concepts and avoiding similar mistakes in the future. To maximize your preparation, dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours daily for consistent, focused practice. Don't just do problems. Utilize the video lessons to truly grasp challenging concepts. Regularly monitor your progress through Khan Academy's tracking tools. This allows you to adapt your study plan as necessary, ensuring you're always working on the most impactful areas for your score improvement. As you get closer to test day, simulate actual conditions by taking timed, full-length practice exams. This builds stamina and helps manage your time effectively. Always carefully analyze all your mistakes to prevent repeating them. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other helpful deals to support your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.